Welcome the our channel. Today we how to activate MetaQuest step by step clearly. First, ensure that your MetaQuest headset is fully charged. Locate the power button on the headset. Press and hold the power button until you see the Meta logo on the display. While the headset is powering on, grab your smartphone or tablet. Download the MetaQuest app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the MetaQuest app once it has been installed. Create a Meta account if you don't already have one. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the account setup. Next, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. The app will prompt you to connect to your headset. Select your MetaQuest headset from the available devices menu. Once connected, the app will guide you through the setup process. Follow the instructions to configure your Wi-Fi connection. Choose your network and enter the password when prompted. After connecting to Wi-Fi, your headset will download any available updates. Once the updates are complete, you'll be taken to the home screen. At this point, you can customize your settings as desired. Explore the app to see available games and experiences. You are now ready to enjoy your MetaQuest headset. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.